Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Nachos Bhel using an easy method. This vibrant snack combines the satisfying crunch of nachos with the fresh, tangy flavors of traditional Bhel. It's a fantastic fusion dish that's simple to prepare and perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting guests or just craving a quick, flavorful bite. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 150 grams of your preferred nachos, which will form the crunchy base. For the fresh components, prepare half a cup each of finely diced onions and tomatoes. Also, have 1/4 cup of boiled sweet corn kernels and 1/4 cup of chopped cucumber ready. Don't forget 2 tablespoons each of tangy tamarind and spicy green chutneys to bring all the flavors together. Now, let's get to the simple preparation. First, gently crush your nachos into smaller, bite-sized pieces, ensuring some larger chunks remain for extra crunch. In a large mixing bowl, combine all your finely diced vegetables. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of tamarind chutney and 2 tablespoons of green chutney to the vegetable mixture. Finally, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and a pinch of salt, mixing everything thoroughly to combine. For the final step, it's time to assemble and serve. Add the crushed nachos to your prepared vegetable and chutney mixture. Gently toss everything together, ensuring the nachos are evenly coated with the flavorful Bhel ingredients. For a beautiful finish and extra texture, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and a sprinkle of sev. Remember, Nachos Bhel is best enjoyed immediately to maintain its delightful crunch, so serve it right away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.